नमस्कार मित्रों, स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और इस YouTube चैनल पर आपको मिलती हैं शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशंस, फ्रेजेस और आउटलाइंस। दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या आप पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। साथ ही बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं, क्योंकि बिना बेल आइकन दबाए आपके पास डिक्टेशन का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं पहुंच पाएगा। और दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से, चैनल से या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से या फेसबुक ग्रुप से जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और जो ये अभी हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं जिस मैटर पर, उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, जो आपको सीधा हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप पर पहुंचाएगा। वहां से आप हमारा फेसबुक ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं। स्पीड रहेगी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट और इसके बाद 100 और 120 वर्ड पर मिनट की इसके बाद डिक्टेशन अपलोड करेंगे। शुरू करते हैं। 5 seconds. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, this is the first supplementary demand in this financial year asking for appropriation for rupees 440 crores, out of which rupees 220 crores are put to VAT and rupees 220 crores are charged, and the main items are only transfers. Sir, before I go into the question to this demand, let me say a few words about the state of the economy. All the social tensions that we witness today in this country are not emerging merely from the social structure as has been handed over to this generation, but they are also mainly and in a large way due to the economic misery that the nation is passing through. This shall not be taken lightly. It is not merely a matter of criticism I am making. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, the misery through which the middle classes are passing today, particularly the fixed income groups, is really causing anxiety. We may find some explanation to it. We may explain it away, and we might find a scapegoat also for that. It is not a matter of debate. It is not a matter of scoring a point. Para. The present government came into power. I mean, the present ruling party came into power. I think the ministry was sworn on the 14th January 1995, and more than 18 months have passed. What has been the performance of the economy in the year 1996 to 1907? And in fact, the government claims a better performance than in 1995 to 1996. There is no dispute about it, but the better performance of the economy in terms of agricultural production or power generation or industrial growth must reflect in something, say in the availability of commodities, in the containment of prices, etc. it must reflect in some way, some indicators must be there. The government has definitely some indicators. So, this house is interested in knowing the reality of the situation. As an example, I put it before the House and before the Finance Minister that it is claimed that 24 million tons of additional food grains have been available in the year 1996 to 97 compared to 1995 to 96. Additional production of 24 million tons of food grains in our country. Thank you.